Let's replant this flower globe and grow some portulaca in here. I had ice flowers earlier, but the season is now gone. Let's make it with portulaca now. We have these planting holes already that were made with a sharp cutter. This larger one here is for watering. I've got 6 plants here with good root balls, and I'm going to insert them from the sides. Make sure to pull all the way in. A bit extra inside really helps in holding the plants well. There's space for 4 plants in here. Insert the bottle top as well. This is going to facilitate watering as well as adding more soil. I've plugged it with a newspaper. We are going to now add the soil. Do not leave any gap at the top and make sure the soil is compact. Let's get the other basket ready too. We need to have chains only on the bottom basket. Save everything that breaks off because portulaca is really easy to grow from cuttings. Now these are the baskets ready to be joined, but before that we need to water thoroughly and add more soil. Now place a newspaper over this one and turn it over this one. This is a bit tricky to do, but you have to place them like this and then remove the extra newspaper. Now we use zip ties to seal them together.